Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a slow cooker molten chocolate cake. It's a rich chocolate cake with thick molten chocolate at the bottom, and it's made in a slow cooker or crock pot. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, grease the inside of the slow cooker with softened butter or cooking spray. Then into a large bowl, add in the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt, and whisk them until they're combined. Make a hole in the center. Then add in the milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract, and whisk them until they're combined. Pour the batter into the slow cooker and spread it out until it's even. Then in a medium bowl, add in the sugar, brown sugar, and cocoa powder, and whisk them until they're combined. Then add the water into a saucepan and place it onto the stove and let it come to a boil. Sprinkle the sugar and cocoa mixture all over the top of the batter in the slow cooker and spread it out so it's even. Then once the water on the stove is boiling, pour it all over the top. And don't stir it, just leave it as it is. And as it cooks, it will sink to the bottom and form a thick, delicious chocolate sauce. Place the lid on top and cook it either on high for 3 to 5 hours or on low for 4 to 6 hours. If you like, you can bake this recipe in the oven instead. Just prepare it the same way, adding everything into a 9 by 13 inch baking pan and bake it in a preheated 350-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes. When it's done, it's ready to serve. It's best served still hot, but what's great about making it in a slow cooker is you can put it on the keep warm setting for up to 2 hours, and it will keep the dessert nice and hot until you're ready to serve it. When you're ready to serve it, just scoop out some onto a plate. And even better, served with ice cream or whipped cream. And that's how to make a slow cooker molten chocolate cake. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.